Hello everyone, I am Geet and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to make your everyday English more natural and confident. So in today's video, we are going to learn simple yet powerful communication words that you can use in real life with your friends, family or anyone you meet. So stick around because we have some exercise also at the end of this video. So words like hello, okay and fine may find you simple, but when you see them the right way, they can transform your English communication, especially if you are a beginner. So let's dive into the list and see how these words can make your daily tasks smoother and more engaging. Hello. Let's start with the classic hello. You can use it anywhere, anytime. For an example, hello, how are you today? Or hello, it's great to see you. Just add a smile while saying it and you will sound friendly and approachable. Goodbye. We all say goodbye, but let's make it a bit warmer by adding something to goodbye. How? Let's see. Goodbye, have a great day. Or goodbye, see you soon. Saying it with energy leaves a positive impression on the other person. Please and thank you if you want to sound polite. These two words are must. For an example, could you please pass me the salt? Could you please pass me the bottle? Sorry and excuse me. We all do mistakes, but these words are savers for us. For an example, sorry I am late today. Sorry, I'll do it next time. Excuse me. Can I ask you something? These words are great if you are fixing some awkward situations. Yes and no. Don't just simply say yes or no. Add something to it. Yes, I would love to do it. No, thank you. Maybe next time. These responses are more engaging. So now it is time for some revision. You need to fill in the blanks. Use the correct word from the box to complete the sentences. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.